Hello, guys. Good evening. This is Umakant. I'm connecting from a forest. Today, I'm just going to talk about one important topic called illusion. How we are day in and day out surrounded by the forces of illusion. The force of illusion is very dangerous, guys. You need to understand this. Illusion surrounds us in all the directions. Illusions give you some dreamy moments. In the path of illusion, you can identify that everything is cozy and everything is comfortable at the beginning. But once you move ahead, you know that the end of any illusion is painful. But what it is, the path of reality does to you. The path of reality is that, at initial stages, there will be pain. Like, if, for example, if I am doing a penance here, the initial stages of my life will be like more painful. I'll be doing penance. I have to sit without food, without water. I may have to sit here in meditation for long times. This is all called penance. And when you do and walk in the path of penance and meditation and doing a sadhana, you may experience pain in the initial days, but later on, the days will be cool for you. So you must understand that path which gives you comforts in the initial times is nothing but a path of illusion or Maya in other terms. So how do you know further? I have been talking about illusion many times. And the people who are into family life, they are expecting happiness from their wife and they blame each other for their happiness and the state of sadness. And when I look and talk to them, they tell that, the reason for my happiness, the reason for my sadness is coming out from my wife. So they blame each other. They tell that she is actually making me sad. So I'll tell you one thing, that it is the expectation which is bad. It is not that she is giving any sad moment to you or he is giving any happy moment to you. It is the expectation of the sadness. You are expecting some person to give happiness to you. But now when sadness come, you are reacting in a very different way. Your expectation is wrong here actually. When you started accepting sadness also in your life, which is coming from the other sources, then you do not have anything to worry about. So what is bad is actually your process of expectation with the other people in a relationship. This is also like which is coming out from the source of illusion, that is your own mind is giving these thoughts. So what is your mind? Your mind is a very bad instrument, guys. You need to understand. Your mind will give you always ifs and buts. What is this ifs and buts all about? You want to sit somewhere and you want to relax. For example, I'm sitting in this forest. Your mind will say, what, Umakant, what are you doing? You're sitting in the forest. You have many responsibilities to take care. You need to take care of your family. What suddenly, if something happens to you, if a snake is coming out of this forest and if you get bitten by a snake, what will happen? If suddenly from in the open sky something falls on your head, what will happen to your family? Somebody told me, what will happen to your family if in the rain you go into the forest? What will happen if suddenly you're struck by lightning? So these ifs and buts, these are coming from the society as well as these are built concurrently in your own mind. And this ifs and mind is coming from the power of illusion. This is called the power of Maya. And I'll tell you the four most important thing which you need to do today is that to identify what is the source of this illusion. The source of this illusion, guys, is nothing but your own mind. Once you understand that your own mind is a source of your illusion, then it is very easy to come out of it. So, just to give a further example, there was a thief and he stolen money from your own house. You kept some 20,000 rupees in your on your money banket, okay, or maybe you kept 20,000 rupees in a locket, okay, in a locker, sorry. So when somebody comes and steal your money, a thief comes and steal your money, you blame the thief very badly. You tell that this person has stolen my money, he should die, he should meet with an accident. You tell all these things, ugly words to him, towards the thief. But I'll tell you one thing, this is not the question of the thief who has stolen your money. It is the attachment which you have developed towards the money which you are possessing. Once tomorrow you have your wife leaves you and goes away to some other place. You blame your wife that today my wife left me. You blame your wife for all the things which she has done because she left you. So it is not the wife problem with your wife. It is the attachment which you have developed with your wife. Remember, guys, tomorrow your daughter runs away with somebody and you tell that my daughter is a bitch and she ran away with someone else. It is not that she ran away or she is there or with you or she is not there with you. It is an attachment. It is association which you have maintained in your heart and mind for her. So this is not, I'm just telling you, you must identify the core reason for all this illusion which is happening in the mind. But the day you identify that the reason for illusion is your own mind, you leave the mind and you'll walk in a path where there is no illusion. So today you have to take a decision that yes, I'll not listen to the thoughts which my mind is throwing to me. I listen to the power of intuition. When you listen to the power of intuition, what will happen is that you are blessed by the forces of the God. There are invisible forces which are there to bless you, but you need to understand that this your mind is giving you the thoughts of illusion. So leave the path of illusion, guys, and walk in the path of intuition, prayer, and bliss. So this is where you will get the ultimate power and you can be able to walk in the path of reality. So see you guys. This is Umakant, your life coach, and I'll talk about the good life topics in my upcoming videos. See you guys. Bye.